Ningbo Qiyun Mould Plastic Company Limited is a private enterprise focusing on developing and selling new products. Our leading products and business include metal telescopic rod products, solar cleaning brush, tent pole, water-fed pole, boat support pole, poster pole, mold manufacturing, injection molding, processing, and design. We endeavor to develop new products to meet customers' demands, and our excellent team promises to offer you excellent service. Qiyun is founded in 2014. Our factory is located in Ningbo, homeland of mold manufacturing. Only 3 kilometers from the Ningbo railway station and 75 kilometers from Ningbo airport, it enjoys a great geographical advantage. Only several years after the official establishment, we have already formed our core competitiveness. At present, we have our own product R&D department, mold manufacturing workshop, injection molding processing workshop, product assembly workshop, and other production departments. Products are mainly exported to Europe, the United States, Japan, South Korea, Southeast Asia, and other regions. We firmly believe that the quality is the life of the enterprise. Our aim is to build Qiyun into a high-quality solar cleaning brush product sales and production suppliers, meeting different needs of different customers. We firmly believe that your satisfaction leads to our success. In Qiyun, reliable quality service is and will always be our commitment to each customer. We can provide processing customization services. If you have any product needs, please contact us. We will reply to you as soon as possible. Welcome to visit our company.